Hi friends, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a maraca today.
Some materials you will be needing will include tape, 2 plastic spoons, some rice, 1 Easter egg, and to decorate your egg you're going to want to use anything you have on hand. I have some markers, some stickers, some tape, some glitter glue. Anything you guys have will be perfect to decorate your maraca with. Alright, so for your first step, you're going to want to go ahead and grab your Easter egg that you're going to be using, the rice, and you're going to want to go ahead and fill up the egg about halfway to the top right here. And once you have it all closed up, go ahead and grab your tape and wrap the entire egg. And once you're done, you should have something like this. And for your next step, go ahead and grab your egg and your 2 spoons. And you can either choose to wrap it again with clear tape, or I will be using decorated art tape. Anything you have will be perfect. So once you're wrapping it, it should start coming together. And just continue to wrap it. This should be perfect. So you can definitely go ahead and stop here. You already have your maraca, or you can go ahead and grab anything you want to decorate it with. I can decorate it with stickers and markers and Sharpies. Whatever you have on hand will be perfect.
And here's my finished maraca. I think this turned out so cute, you guys. And you can definitely use this if you're practicing music, if you're learning to do beats. If you just want to create a maraca, anything is really fun to do and create on this maraca. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. See you next time.